Powerful, compact, and flexible, the new revolutionary EB-PU2100 and 2200 Series projectors, only from Epson. At 13, 16, and 20,000 lumens, these newly designed projectors have an optimized structure that features a compact laser light source and power supply modules and a high-efficiency liquid cooling system. Epson brings to you the world's smallest and lightest 20,000 lumen projector. That's an amazing 60% smaller and 50% lighter compared to our previous 20,000 lumen projector. Experience low visual noise with simplified installation, plus a potential cost savings in labor, shipping, and warehouse space. The 13 and 16,000 lumen projectors are powered from a standard 120-volt source and have many advanced features previously found only in brighter models. Engineered for reliability, these projectors have a long-lasting laser light source and sealed optical engine. Ideal for live events, these projectors have a mechanical shutter that helps protect the projector during laser light shows. The EB-PU2100 and 2200 Series projectors have a filterless cabinet and liquid cooling system to support easy, low-maintenance operation. With Epson's 3-chip 3LCD technology, these large-venue laser projectors produce incredible color. Count on powerful image enhancement tools to take your projection to the next level with 4K enhancement, high native contrast ratio, scene adaptive gamma correction, and HDR support. These projectors pair with a wide selection of existing Epson lenses, including ultra-short throw with unique zero-offset design for easy installation in challenging spaces. For fast setup, count on built-in NFC functionality and the use of Epson's projector configuration tool to streamline multi-projector setups. Plus, with the optional attachable Pixeline camera, it provides access to powerful features that include stacking assist function, blending assist for edge blending applications, color calibration, and screen matching. In addition, with the simple stacking function, quickly stack 2 projectors using just a remote controller. Powerful, light, and robust, this is Epson's EB-PU2100 and 2200 Series projectors. Epson, exceed your vision.